There are few more options available in terms of inserting an image. Those are nothing but from the drive. We already learned about a drive, how to use a drive. If you stored some of the image in a drive, then you can select those image and you can say insert. By that we can able to attach the image which have been stored in a drive also. Okay, and next it comes to a inserting a image. Okay, for the image itself you can write a comment here, add a comment or add a link. For the image itself you can add a link also. Okay, you can add a link to the image itself, or you can add a comment to the image itself. Okay, this will help to other who are working with you. If you are shared with them, it will help them to understand about that one. And other options in inserting an image itself, photos is there. That's a one more application by the Google itself, where you can store all your personal photos there in that particular folder. By URL, in the sense, by selecting any of the link from the any of the website, directly you can paste it, and we can able to insert an image by selecting a URL. Or we can go with the camera, is nothing but take a selfie. If you have a front cam in your laptop or in your mobile, you can directly take a selfie and you can attach that as a image. This is about inserting an image. The one more thing comes when insert option comes, when insert we discuss about a insert. Okay, that is nothing but a inserting a table. For example, you have a set of the client list or a document list. You would like to make it in a table. Okay, then we can use the insert table. Where it is available, we have to go to insert in a main menu. We have to go to insert. Okay, go to insert and select the table. Select the table. And if you select the image, already we have discussed all. Okay, in a table we can select that. Okay, number of the columns here, you can, as you are highlighting a cells, okay, you can see that 3 into 1, in the sense 3 column 1 row. Okay, if I select, the number of the rows is keep on increasing. Okay, keep on increasing a columns also, in the sense how many columns, how many rows you require, you can select that one. It will be inserted. For example, I say that this is a serial number, 1 column. Here I have a name of the client, and here I have a mobile number. Okay, like that I can I can create a table. I can write the information. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like that I can write the information, and I can align this table. Okay, here to reduce the size, what we have to do, we have to go to that line, click and drag, so that we can reduce the size of the column width. We can reduce the select and drag, select and drag. Okay, similarly we can increase the row width also. Okay, we have to select that line and drag. Okay, this is about inserting a table. Inserting a table. If you like to insert a drawing, your own drawing, then again we have to go to insert drawing option is there. If you already saved some of the drawings in a Google Drive, you can upload that one. Otherwise you can create yourself new, and say that you can create a drawing like, okay, you can select a line. Okay, and you can create your own drawing and say save and close, so that you will be inserting a that particular drawing. You are inserted a that particular drawing as a image. Okay, this is about inserting a drawing, image you already learned, table and drawing. The one more thing comes is a horizontal line. If you like to separate this one, this image, and between this image and this table, you require one line to be drawn. Okay, the separator line as we can insert horizontal line, so that it will be separated. Your two image and table will be separated by a line. This is a way we can use a different inserting options like image, table, drawing and line we have been discussed. Other inserting options like link and comment we already discussed. Other option we'll discuss in a next video.